on the road again. And last time we came through here, it was clear and you could see everything. And today, it's a little bit of a different story. It's got snow coming down, a little bit of snow on the road. Yes.
And we're not even on the mountain yet.
Nope, we're not on the mountain yet. Should be a fun day in the car. Aria's back there. Hi, Ari. Hi. We got some breakfast. Daddy's got his egg McMuffin. Yes. And I've got my bacon, egg, and cheese because bacon, that's all that needs to be said right there. Bacon. Yeah, that's what I'm having. So we're going up and over the hill once again. And if I can get some pretty footage of the nice, beautiful weather out there, I will. But yesterday I didn't have as much as I thought I would because you really couldn't see very far in front of you. So it wasn't much to be seen. We shall see what happens today, however. We're going slowish. So I thought I might be able to give you guys a little bit of a view.
Look to the right instead.
I am looking to the right, sir. Yeah. At least you can see the snow coming down a little bit anyways. Yeah. It's starting to speed up, so it's not gonna be around for long. Ooh, baby. Look at that. It's wide outside. Look at that, look at that. Visibility is kind of poop at the moment too. You can't really see very far ahead of you. Oh, that's
we're fine, loves.
That's our view, folks. Nice and white.
I see lights.
I see lights. Pretty light. They look like Christmas lights.
They look like car lights.
That too. Even though it's just a bunch of white stuff.
Oh,
it's actually pretty. Holy moly!
You see that wind gust come off?
Yeah, I did. It's like, whoa, wall of snow. Crazy.
I'm more worried about wind pushing me around than anything else.
No joke. It's craziness. And y'all thought it was bad before. And I don't know if my camera picks it up any different. But my husband can't even see behind us. I mean, it's bad. Look how white that is. Good Lord.
Actually, it just cleared up just a bit before.
Oh, no. Nope,
yeah,
nope.
Yeah, here we go.
It's getting back into it right here. Oh. Crazy.
Oh, I still see better than I did before up there.
I don't know. It got really bad that we were literally using the side of the road. If it wasn't for that, I don't know where we would have gone. It was craziness. I can't believe how... Well, the snow's coming down crazily. Like, it's a bit bonkers. At least I know that they're going to have plenty of snow up on Hoodoo, or Mount Hood, or Bachelor. All of those are probably getting just hammered right now.
Yep. My daughter's going to enjoy it.
She's going to have good ski weather.
Good ski.
Yeah, good ski. But drive, good Lord.
Makes you want to just start pulling donuts, doesn't it?
No.
No?
Scary. Oh, look at the beautiful trees.
Slam on your brakes, yank your car to the right.
He's a crazy driver and he would never do that to me.
Well, it would be fun.
No.
Just slide around a corner, drift style.
Yeah, when you can't see anything. Smart.
I can see the corners.
Here we go.
I'm still on the road, aren't I?
This is the Deadwood area, right?
Over on your right is your favorite lake.
I know where we are. But you can't even see it. You can't see my
Well, it's coming
lake.
up just around this corner, so...
You can see the pretty trees, though. Love the Christmas trees out there. So nice. And we've got a snow plow right in front of us, guys. Look at that. You get to watch it do its thing. Sorta. I know you can't really see what it's doing.
I can't see anything. I just see a bunch of white.
I know. I was hoping to be able to, like, see it, but you can't really see what it's doing. It's all, oh. All the snow is doing funny things. So much for that, guys. Never mind.
Look at the right, the light.
Holy moly. Look at that. There we go.
Back to beautiful driving.
A little bit more visibility right now. It is so pretty.
I passed the snow plows.
Yep.
Not on the right, though.
Yep, never pass snow plows on the right. But now you can actually see the trees and everything. It's actually kind of pretty right now. Aww. I like coming up here when it's like this.
So you can pull donuts?
No, because it's beautiful. Look at the trees and everything. It is nice. It's like my favorite part. I love the ice and snow all over the trees.
It's like winter.
It's like Christmas.
Oh, well, yeah, that too, I guess.
Yeah, it is winter, but for us at the house, it doesn't look like this, but it's super pretty over here.
Let's move up here.
I'm good. I'll come visit it. Out of the mountains, look at that blue skies and everything. Look at that, look at that, look at that. It's very pretty right now. Look at that blue sky. It's got a little bit of wetness going on, a little bit of sprinkles, but honestly, it's beautiful over here. Look at that. Out of the snow and into this prettiness. And we're headed towards that blue sky. Yes. You feel much better?
Yeah.
This little pumpkin pie had 102.7 degree fever.
And he was able to laugh
So Mommy and Grandma went to go get you some meds so that you'd feel better to bring down your fever. What did Grandma bring back for you? You want to show me what Grandma gave you?
Yeah. It's a cute penguin.
It is a cute penguin.
Yes.
She got you a little penguin, and we bought you some medicine, some berry medicine to bring your fever down. And you at least have a little bit more color right now. Honestly, she was looking real pale and she was really, really hot. So unfortunately, we've got a little sickie. So hopefully that her fever goes down and the rest of the family also doesn't get sick. That would be great. But I feel bad because this poor little child back there so doesn't feel so good. But she says she feels better than she did earlier. So that's an improvement.
It's good to hear.
Yeah. It's gonna be kind of hard to see, but out my window, it's snowing. Yay, isn't that pretty? We stopped here at a rest area, but you can kind of see it and I wanted to share it. When we're not moving at 1,000,000 miles an hour, it's really peaceful and pretty. I just wanted to show you guys.